इस जंगल में मेरे नाम का, पर क्या करूं मेरे दांत का। पापी पेट बोले मर रहे हो क्यों तुम खामखा। अजीब था पैगाम सा, ना रह गया ये जंगल मेरे काम का। क्या करूं अपना हाल कोई रास्ता, बन के अब इंसान मेरा नाश्ता। हाउ
Then I catch them all, make them fall, roll, crawl, aim all and rip them all apart. इंसानों को खालू आज, यार पीछे भूखा है मेरी अंदर की आग।
थैंक यू सो मच। लाइट्स लगा दो, अभी चलेगा, ये सब तो चलता रहेगा। हाँ,
अब बात तो नहीं हो सकती वीडी इस सब हल्ले गुल्ले में, बिकॉज वी हैव दीज फैंस जो कि मतलब दीवाने हुए पड़े हैं तब से, जब से यहाँ पे सब आए हैं।
That's why first and foremost I want to thank everyone who's over here, all the members of media, all the fans, everyone, because from day one, literally from day one, I've had this support, this love. Whenever there's been any negativity towards me, whenever there's been any kind of, hate towards me, you guys have stood up for me. Even members of the media, I mean this from my heart. All the paps also of you over here. I genuinely mean it. You all are my family. You all have stood by me. आप लोग हमेशा मेरे साथ रहे. So thank you. I want to say thank you to all of you all first.
Lovely.
Okay. And because this film is like super special, ये हम लोग ने lockdown में start किया था. So Nitin, if you don't mind,
please.
Can I invite everyone on
Please
stage?
do the honors, Varun. Please.
First, I just want to call my leading lady, who's also a big hero of this film, and I think you'll all know who she is. Obviously, she's in a new look. Kriti Saran! दादा ये सब ठीक है, अभी हम लोग जमीन पे बैठ जाएंगे, ठीक है, चलेगा, डोंट वरी। थैंक यू।
वेलकम कृति।
Yes.
Okay. Hi guys, I can't see anyone. The light is so strong. But कैसा लगा ट्रेलर? अच्छा लगा तो एक हाल तो बनता है ना?
वो रिक्लाइनर्स में एकदम ऐसा क्लॉज गाड़ा दिया सब लोगों ने, ऐसा
ये जो स्पॉटलाइट हम पे आ रही है, ये बंद करके कैन वी जस्ट हैव नॉर्मल लाइट्स?
या तो इन लोगों पे भी एक स्पॉटलाइट डाल दो।
हाँ, ये थोड़ा अभी
भी नहीं दिख
चेहरों
रहा
पे ये जो पीछे वाले लाइट्स और जो स्क्रीन के लाइट्स है वो ऑन कर सकते हैं?
थोड़े और लाइट्स ऑन कर सकते हैं?
स्क्रीन के आप बोल रहे हो, सुन रहे नहीं आपकी? अरे यार, यही तो प्रॉब्लम है।
पेशेंस, भेड़िए को गुस्सा आता है, सबको क्यों आ रहा है?
Next, I think we want to call the captain of the ship. जिस आदमी ने ये कहानी के बारे में सोचा, जो निर्देशक है ये कहानी के, want to call none other than Amar Kaushik. एंड मतलब जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि ये फिल्म जो है ये लॉकडाउन के टाइम शुरू हुई थी, एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर कि जो पहली रेकी की थी अमर और निरेन भाई गए थे, बहुत मतलब निरेन भाई डर गए थे कि वो घर नहीं वापस आएंगे, एंड दे सेड रेकी करके गए एंड इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट। ओनली आई कांट थिंक दैट हमारे इंडस्ट्री में ऐसा कोई भी प्रोड्यूसर है जो ऐसी फिल्म को उस वक्त पे बैंक रोल करता जहाँ हमें पता नहीं था कि कहाँ फिल्म में आएंगी। सो आई वांट टू कॉल माय ब्रदर, माय फ्रेंड। मैं बदलापुर के बाद उनके साथ काम कर रहा हूँ। आई हैड अ वेरी स्पेशल एसोसिएशन। आई वांट टू कॉल नन अदर देन डीनू, दिनेश विजन। असली भेड़िया। And obviously, this film is going to be incomplete without, according to me, I found like two brothers on this film, and I have a very, very special association with Abhishek on this film. We really, really, मतलब I was a fish out of water on this film, and honestly, मैं अपने lines इसके साथ rehearse करता था. He would help me so much during this film, and along with him we have a newcomer. So whenever a newcomer, I believe this क्योंकि मेरी 10 साल पहले debut हुई थी. So you all have to give the most love today, the most love to Palin, who's over here from Itanagar, from Arunachal Pradesh. So Palin and Abhishek, please join us on stage. And the last and definitely not the least, he's a legend in our film industry. मतलब मैं तो बहुत वक्त से उनका fan हूँ और अभी भी हूँ, and I've been finding ways to work with him, and luckily Amar got him in our Bhedia world, and that's none other than Deepak Dobriyal. There's so many other people from our cast, our crew over here, who are going to come up and get us for the celebration. But obviously, Sachin Jigar, this is one of my most special collaborations. I know आप लोग ने Maddo के साथ भी बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया है, but they are the music directors that I have worked the most in my career also. So thank you, Sachin Jigar, for always being a part of my journey. Thank you, Niren Bhai, who's written this, the most funniest and coolest line story, who would rehearse the lines with me and Abhishek, and you talk a lot of other things. And obviously, हमारे जो ज्ञानी बाबा है इधर, without this, sir आप एक बार खाली audience को wave कर दो, please. I would like अमर आप एक बार कर लो introduction.
एक बार नीरेन भाई जरा खड़े हो जाइए प्लीज. एंड ये नीरेन भाई हमारे इन्होंने लिखी है ये फिल्म, और उनके बगल में हमारे जिष्णु जी, ही शॉट द फिल्म जंगल के बीच में बेचारे बहुत मुश्किल से. थैंक यू. पूजा प्लीज, पूजा यू हैव टू
Please stand up, yeah, Pooja.
Pooja.
You're looking very nice today.
इनकी अभी शादी हुई है, तो please congratulate her, everyone. Congratulations, Pooja. It's true, but no. Love you, Manjot. Okay. So I think Nitin, we'll start with the Q&A.
Yes, with your kind permission. All right, it's time for the media Q&A. आप लोगों के जो भी सवाल हैं, you can shoot those questions. और ये टीम भेड़िया उनका सामना करने के लिए all set है. Okay, just थोड़ा लाइट और इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं, उसको बढ़ा सकते हैं, थोड़ा ब्राइट कर सकते हैं.
हेलो.
I think वो spotlight बंद हो जाएगा तो ये सही दिखेगा ना? हाँ, अभी perfect है. और बढ़ा दो.
अभी गुड. और थोड़ा.
हेलो, कैन आई आस्क?
जी मैम आ रहा हूँ मैं, एक सेकंड. वी गुड राइट? चलिए जी.
Oh, trailer, I mean, it's so offbeat, something we have never seen before in Hindi movies. So, Varun, while everybody, first of all, Kriti, your look looks awesome.
Thank you.
We have been talking about it in the last few days.
Thank you so much.
Varun, though everybody seems to be doing comedy, a lot of comedy happening around you, but how challenging this role was for you? I mean, it comes across very difficult role.
पहली चीज़ जो अमर ने मुझे कहा था जब हम लोग रीडिंग्स कर रहे थे, और उन्होंने मुझसे कहा था कि यार आप बिल्कुल कॉमेडी नहीं करोगे इस फिल्म में. तो मैं हमेशा इनसे पंच लाइन मांगता रहता था, ये लाइन मैं बोल दूँ, मैं ये थोड़ा कर लूँ, और अमर से बिल्कुल नहीं, आप कुछ मत कीजिए क्योंकि फिर लोग आपको सीरियसली नहीं लेंगे फिल्म में. So it's all credit to Amar, I mean, the performance, and hopefully it lives up to his expectation first, because he's got a very high standard for performances. And इन्होंने इसके पहले obviously राजकुमार and आयुष्मान के साथ काम किया, वो very very fine actors. I love both of them. So hopefully I can, live up to them in Amar's eyes.
बिल्कुल live up किया है आपने सर.
And
But
want to
I
ask,
genuinely want to say that he's really worked very, very hard. I've seen him, with his पहला director मिला था जो शुरू में बोल रहा था मुझे abs नहीं चाहिए, तुम लेके आओगे मैं हटा दूंगा. So the way he's worked very, very hard, whether it was his look, his body, the animal flow and stuff that he was doing. And there's a journey obviously of the character, and he was not doing anything else, so he was like just Bhedia all the time.
I want to ask Dinesh, like this is your third collaboration you with Amar Kaushik. So what is it like, where does that confidence come? Of course, Stree was a huge success and you got so many awards. So tell us.
बाला भी चली थी.
Yeah, both. So tell us about your collaboration. How is it been?
I think this is a film he really wanted to make. I'll tell you his strengths. He's probably one person with 2 hits, doesn't behave like a director who's made hits, so which is good. I think his biggest strength is his background. He's a forest ranger's son who spent time in Arunachal, and he's very responsible towards that. He's the most excited person on set, which is competition for Varun. Jadwai, generally, he's the most excited person on set. So his energy is infectious. Instead of saying, "Kya? Chalo khelte hain," right? That's the line for him on set. Khelo. So I think his biggest, and more than insan bhi acha hai. He's like a brother I never had, And Maddock is as much his as it's mine. So it's really, really, really nice to have a director who has delivered this in lockdown. So he's also technologically very sound now. He's grown aesthetically. He has grown leaps and bounds in terms of what he's achieved. He's given us an international level product. For Maddock, it's taken us 10 years to be in a position to make a film like this. And him at the helm of it has managed to pull it off is what I feel. Hopefully you all will feel the same. So I'm very proud of him. We'll give him a nice gift.
अमर जी मेरा सवाल आपसे है आप हमारे तरह जर्नलिस्ट भी